Hey guys, so this is Editing Taliana. So I know most of us cannot leave our houses and we're running out of deep conditioners. So here's a quick DIY deep conditioner using aloe vera that will promote maximum hair growth. Ensure you watch the video to the end and like, comment, and subscribe. Cue intro. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm serving you real girl realness right now, but yeah, excuse my appearance. Today is wash day, and
realistically, we don't put on makeup, eyebrows, all of that jazz to hop in the shower to wash our hair. I know it looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye, it looks very attractive, but in real life we don't do that. So, and this is real life, so I'm not going to do that. So,
Editing Taliana here again. I forgot to mention what was in my hair. Actually, I was doing a pre-poo using the aloe vera mixture because I find that it does wonders for my hair. This video will be up in the iCards, and let's go back to our regular schedule program. So in today's video is going to be very simple. I'm going to show you a very easy and simple 5-minute recipe that you can put in your hair. Nice, wonderful deep conditioner that will make your hair feel soft like butter, and your fingers will be gliding and it will be moisturized, and you will be in the comment section thanking me. And shameless plug, I post videos 2 times out of the week, so ensure that you subscribe. And I'm also on Instagram, so follow me there where I post daily. You can see my hair, get more hair porn, you can interact with me, DM me if you have any more hair questions, and let's go straight into the video. So for this simple deep conditioner, DIY deep conditioner, what you're going to need is coconut milk. This one is from Grace. You can get any brand of coconut milk of your choice. You know, the less preservative the better, but this is what was available to me right at the moment because we're in quarantine. And then the star of the show, this is just aloe vera juice, castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil mix. This was DIY, by the way. If you need a video on how I make mine, just let me know in the comments down below. And finally, conditioner. You can use VO5 conditioner at the moment. I am out, that's why I'm not using VO5. You can use any conditioner of your choice. The reason why I'm using a conditioner because I need a base, because I don't want it to be all that water based, because I hate when products are running down my back and my shoulders and my neck. Ugh, it feels disgusting. So I'm just using this to basically thicken the product up. And this is my Aussie Moist 3 Miracle Curls deep conditioner. Looks like this. I swear by it. I love it. I love Aussie Moist 3 minute whatever. It really is moisturizing for my hair, and I 100% recommend. I recommend. So here we go. So that's 10 pumps. You can add as much depending on your hair thickness and the length of your hair. You can modify it. As I said before, you don't have to use the same conditioner as me. So I'm probably gonna add like half the tin. And you can add more conditioner if it's a little bit too watery for your liking. You mix and mix and mix until it's completely combined together. Just see the consistency is a bit thicker. So I'm gonna shake this up so that I can combine the oil and the aloe vera together. Squeeze. That's about a tablespoon. The aloe vera will add slip and moisture and lower the pH, and it's just gonna add love. And that's how it is looking. Woo!
That's how it is.
Okay, I'm back and I just finished washing my hair. And if you're interested in what I do, iCards. I don't know if it's right here or over here, but iCards. My hair texture, and it's gonna keep shrinking and shrinking. This is how my hair is looking like. Just like that. And this is the consistency. Ooh, nice and creamy for my low porosity. And I do not let products, conditioner, deep conditioner, like I don't let it touch my scalp because I don't want product buildup. The only thing I will apply to my scalp is natural oils. I don't apply shea butter or nothing like that. Only oils like olive oil or castor oil. Mostly castor oil and peppermint oil to my scalp, and I don't do it often because your scalp naturally produces sebum, and I don't want to tamper with the natural process of my scalp, so I just let it does its thing. And that's why I don't put products like that to my scalp. I just shampoo it to ensure that it's clean, and I let my sebum do the work, or I might add a few castor oil mixed with peppermint oil to help stimulate growth, because your scalp is similar to your skin. You need to let it breathe. Nice. You see that shine? And it absorbed right into my hair. It's because it's lightweight, that's why. Yes, I rinse out my hair in twists as well. If you find my content helpful, share it. Help me to grow my channel. I have a goal, subscriber goal, and I would love to hit it by the end of the year. So help a girl out and share, like, share, comment, share. You don't have to do your twist this small. The reason why I'm doing it this small because I am lazy and I like to transition from style to style. So after I rinse out this deep conditioner, that's gonna be my style, because remember that we are protective styling. We're still doing our protective styling challenge. Absorb right into my hair, and it has a lot of slip. I think the coconut milk plus the aloe vera is what is adding all that slip. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the rest of the product that's on my hand, and like the top part right here, I'm just touching, not my scalp. And I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna sit under my heated dryer attachment for about 20 minutes and then rinse it off. And my hair is already styled, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to moisturize my hair with my Aloe Body Curl and Style Milk, and sealing that moisture with this African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This, and what I do, I just pump the product in my hand and just slobber it all over the twist. Just put it all over the twist, squeeze it in, because we're low porosity, we have to squeeze in the product in our hair, and then put the oil all over the twist like that. Hair already combed, don't have to stress bonus style, just go about with it. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you like what you see, ensure that you subscribe, of course, like this video, comment, share. Follow me on my social media, Finding Taliana, and have a wonderful and blessed day, and remember that God loves you. Bye.